On the African savanna, unlikely allies collaborate to overcome a big problem. To satisfy its enormous appetite, an elephant eats 300 pounds of vegetation in a day. Trees can't escape. But the whistling acacia has an extraordinary elephant deterrent, a low-frequency sonic shield that sounds like a swarm of angry, stinging bees. It's a noise that even elephants fear. The acacia doesn't come with a built-in alarm system. It's installed by little helpers. Cocktail ants gnaw holes in the swollen thorns. It's believed they use their antennae to judge the perfect angle. So when the prevailing wind blows, the acacia starts to sing. The ant holes not only make the tree whistle, they are also portals to a hidden world. Secret safe houses, where the ants raise their young. The tree also supplies highly addictive sugary nectar to make sure the ants stick around. And just one acacia can house a colony 50,000 strong. It's a city in the sky.